Tips for falling asleep faster. First, create a bedtime routine. Doing the same things every night before bed can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and sleep. Second, make your bedroom a comfortable and relaxing place. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet, and use a comfortable mattress and pillows. Third, avoid screens before bedtime. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can disrupt your natural sleep-wake cycle and make it harder to fall asleep. Fourth, avoid caffeine and alcohol before bedtime. Both of these substances can interfere with sleep. Fifth, try relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation can help you relax and prepare for sleep. 6. Get regular exercise. Exercise can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly, but try to avoid vigorous exercise too close to bedtime. Lastly, get regular exercise. Exercise can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly, but try to avoid vigorous exercise too close to bedtime. I hope these tips are helpful. Thanks for watching.